Hi, welcome to my channel. If you just stumbled on this video, I teach Korean learners what is called 사자성어. I made a video on how it works, so check out this video first to understand it. I also have an Instagram account, so if you're interested in learning Korean language, check out my account for more phrases. With that out of the way, let's dive into the lesson. Today we are going to learn 고진감래, which is extremely practical. We've got four characters in 고진감래. 고 means hardship or pain. 진 means to run out. 감 means sweet. 래 means to come. We got the whole phrase of 고진감래, meaning that when tough times are over, good days should come along. Truthfully, you never know what you're going to end up with, regardless of how hard you try, because nothing is guaranteed. However, it'll increase the chance of success if you try hard, no matter what you're seeking. You're in this situation where you're going through a hard time. You really want that to be over. So instead of just sitting around and waiting for that to end, you decide to put in a lot of effort to make the situation better, with the belief that it will lead you to somewhere else. That's what this phrase 고진감래 actually implies. It takes effort and time to achieve something. That's the point. Success doesn't just happen. You need to make an effort and endure the hard times, if necessary, to get the results. Now let's talk about how to use it in a sentence. When you're talking to someone struggling with a tough situation, you bring this phrase up to state that things are going to get better and to give hope to that person. Here is an example. 요즘 되는 일이 하나도 없네. 열심히 하고는 있는데. 힘내. 고진감래라는 말도 있잖아. 이것도 다 지나갈 거야. As you can see, you just put the phrase in a sentence like you quote an aphorism. Try making a sentence for yourself and comment below to get it checked by me. And if you have any questions about the phrase or Korean language in general, let me know in the comment. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.